Hello and welcome to the Refocus Coach family. If you're landing on this page, it means that you bought one of my programs, and I'm really excited to take this adventure with you. But before we get to that, I would like to show you how to use the platform. So first things first. Firstly, you will get a login details and password, or you needed to create your own login details and password to actually log into the platform. Now, if you've lost your email with your login and password and your link, you don't have to worry, because you can actually just go to my website like this. You can go to my website and go here to this little icon to say login. Once you click on the login button, you'll get to this little page here where you can log in with your email and password that you've used. So I'm just going to put in my email and password quickly, and then all you have to do is log in. Alright, so when you've logged in, you will get to this page, and this is your library and your announcements. So here's a few announcements that I will share over time to kind of share information or important things that will be happening. And then when you click on that little icon over there, you'll see at the moment when you log in the first time, it will be a blank little icon, a round little icon with no picture whatsoever. So you can go to settings, and you can actually go play around with the settings and put a little picture there of yourself and make the platform your own, basically. Right, so once you've done that, you can either go to the library over here, or you can go to the library over there. And here you can obviously just go and log out. But if you are in the library section, you'll see that there's a couple of things when you scroll down, a couple of things that you can use. So the first thing I want to go through is the Refocus Your Business Adventure. So with most people that go onto any of my programs, you will get access to this 12-week course, the Refocus Your Business Adventure. So how it works, pretty simple. You just go here to the right and click on View Product. And then when you click on the View Product, you can just scroll down and you will see all the videos here. So here's a few introduction videos that you can go through. There is the videos for week 1 and so on for week 2 and 3 and so on. And then on the right hand side, there's some extra things that you can buy if you need to buy more coaching sessions. Alright, so when you want to watch a video, you just click on the video anywhere here, either on that little icon there or here. Alright, so when you click on that little video, it will open it up like that. You just click on this blue button to play the video. You can see how long it is. You can also go down and go to the comment section here and just make any comments. You can say the video is good, bad, useless, whatever you feel like. You can just make some comments there. You can even ask some questions there if you really want to. I can see it on my side. And then with some of the videos, you will get a download section here on the right hand side. So here on the download side, you'll see there's 2 PDF documents and a Excel template. So my suggestion would be to actually download all of these things, put in a folder on your PC, and just keep it in one place, just to go back to these documents and sheets, because I will be discussing some of them as we go through the training. And then a very important thing, after each and every video, you will get an email with an action step. So on the action step, you will see some of the things that you've done already in your business. You can just ignore those. If there is one of the videos with an action step that you still need to do, maybe create a folder on your Outlook somewhere or on your email browser, whatever you're using, and just red flag them so that you can go back to them, because some of the things will take it's like an instant thing to do in your business. And then some of the things like your marketing and your sales process and things like that, that is things that will take quite a bit of time to actually get done. It's not just getting done, but it's also an ever evolving thing, especially like your sales process and your marketing stuff. So that might be stuff that you need to put in your daily habits, that you need to actually go and do on a regular basis. All right, so that is the training. So if you want to go back, you can basically just go back with a little back button, or you can actually just go back using any of these things, or you can click on that little icon over there and go back to the library. All right, so when you're back to your library over here, you can actually go down and you'll see there's the Refocus Tribe. I will get to that in a second. But if you bought a high performance or an accelerator program, you will get access to either a discovery session, an alignment session, and a 91-day planning session for the high performance clients. As an accelerated client, you will only have access to the discovery session. So the idea is to book them in sequence as they appear on your library. Now, these three options, as well as the coaching sessions, if you bought an high performance or an accelerator or an incubator coaching session package, you can basically use all of them the same way. And I want to show you how to book a session so that you know how to do that. So when you get here, you just click on view product. When you click on view product, you will see there's a bit of a description, and then you will see the amount of sessions that you've bought, and you will see schedule now as an option. All right, so what you need to do is just go to your first session, schedule now. You click on the little schedule now button, and then you'll see the outline of the actual agenda that I will be using for that session. And then there's place for notes and resources. All right, so the resources is basically when we have a coaching session and I'm talking about a specific document, I can actually upload that document instantly to this resources space, and you will have access to that resource instantly after I've saved it and you've refreshed your page on your side. On the details side, you'll see there will be space to upload a video. If we are having an online session, I can actually just upload your video from that coaching session onto this section, and you can have access to that video and watch it again and again if you feel like it. On the notes side is quite interesting, because on the notes side you'll see there's shared notes. So this is usually where we're going to be sharing your goals, and we're going to write it down there together so that you know what your goals for the next session. So this is an area that we can actually see on my side as well as on your side as a client. And then you'll see your notes. So on my side, it's my notes. I can make notes on my side that you won't be able to see. And the same on your side. You can also make notes on your side. Just that you can keep track of information that you want to keep track of. All right, so now how to schedule the session. You just go there and schedule session. And then once you click on that button, you'll see my calendar will pop up here and you will see available dates. So I'm just going to click here on, let's say, Thursday, the 14th of September. You'll see there's like 4 slots available. You can click on any of those slots and you can say next. You're going to put your name and email address in. If you want to invite someone to your coaching session, you're more than welcome to do that. Just let me know about it. And then you can choose either via Teams or Zoom, or there's 3 areas where you can actually meet with me face to face. Not everybody will have access to this type of thing, but yeah, you can actually select there what you need. Then here you can actually share with me a little bit of information. If you want me to prepare something specific, you can actually put it down there. And I want to encourage you to actually put in your phone number over here, your cell phone number over here, and then schedule the event. And the reason for that is you will get a SMS notification to remind you of your session, but you will also get a calendar invite from the system so that you can save it in your calendar so that you don't miss any sessions. All right, so that's just as a reminder, and you schedule the event and then you will be done. Well, that's how easy it is to schedule a coaching session. I'm going to go back. I want to show you how to use the actual tribe, because that is a really important thing. So I'm just going to click on the back button here just to go back to the tribe over here. So when you bought a package, you will either see the Refocus Adventure Tribe Fast Track Hour. This is usually for paid members, and if you are a free member, you'll basically see it over here. You can also view product. Some people will actually have access to both. So if you're a paid member, you can either just use any one of the two, because it will go to the same place. Right, so when you've actually clicked on the view product on the Refocus Tribe, you will basically get this little picture. This is just a little rules here. Read through the rules. You'll see there's about 6 of them, and just accept them. This is the Refocus Adventure Tribe, and this is where all the magic is going to happen. So when you land on this page, I want to go to the left-hand side first to show you. Here on the left, you will find things called circles. So the Fast Track Hour is for paid members, and then there's a free members area for general chat and general Q&A. So basically, anyone can ask me questions here, and I will go here and answer them. And this we can do on a daily, weekly basis. There's no limit on that. So for paid members, you can also ask me questions here specifically. Just remember that whatever you're going to post here is like a Facebook feed type of scenario, and everybody will be able to see it that is part of this tribe. All right, so what I want you to do is to go onto this platform and actually interact here. Share your weekly success, share your weekly challenge, share your marketing plan, share your marketing strategies, share your sales process, share team challenges, and perhaps you can help someone else as well overcome some of these things. So that's the part of this little area over here. And the idea is to create a little bit of a community and a database of resources that people can see, because we're all going through the same stuff. All right, so that's important. There's also a leaderboard here with everybody participating and doing things. And this leaderboard, you'll see there's a couple of people on the leaderboard at the moment with points. So the idea here is to help people, with specific things. And the way you get onto this leaderboard is to go to challenges and actually join one of these challenges over here. You'll see Refocus Your Life Experience. There's a couple of things you have to do here. So go click on it, go read what it's about. The same with the Refocus, 3 weeks of Refocus. That's also something that you can join. And then this is the first one that most people need to actually join. It's introduce yourself and your business. So share with us what you do here, because you never know, you might actually find a client on this platform that could actually do some business with you. So interact with this, play with it. It's here to help you create high performance habits. So that's why I've created these things. And as time goes by, I'm going to be adding more challenges here that we can do, like a 7-day challenge here, or a 91-day challenge, or anything. Whatever you guys want to do, we're going to create that, and then we can work on these challenges together. Right, so that's the idea here. And then another important one, it's very important, and this is for the weekly group coaching. Now, when you click on meetups, you'll see there will be a few recordings of previous sessions that we've done already. And you'll see here at the bottom, there's the fast track hour, and there's a private room. So at some point, I'm going to be using this private room only when the group is becoming a bit bigger. So we'll be doing our group coaching sessions in this private room for paid members only. For now, you will be able to go to the live room over here. You'll see sometimes in the mornings, there's a couple of people already on it, like 1 or 2 or 3 or 10. There will be a little number here, and you will see that's the amount of people that's already in this room. Okay. So when you click on live room, it will look something like this. It will give you a little welcome thing, and you can read this here, and you can just say, got it. And then you can allow access to your microphone, and then you can just allow it over here as well. All right, so as you can see, this is the live room. So it's probably going to ask you to give access to the video as well. Like in this case, it didn't ask me now. But here's a little mic. You can just mute yourself. You can switch your video camera on and off. You probably can share screen. You can raise your hand to ask a question, or just interact with a little emoji. Here's a place where you can send messages. Here's, you can see how many people is there and who the people are. And then once we are done with the group coaching session on a weekly basis, you can actually just go to this little red door and go back, and then that's how you leave the room again. All right, so that's how the platform works. You can go back to meetups, leave this page if you want to. Then you just go back here again. All right, so that's where the platform here at the left. You can actually go to the library, go back there. On this side over here, you can see your profile here. You can play around with some settings and things like that. Okay, so that's really important. Play around with those settings in the profile, and just make it your own. And then very importantly, please download the Kajabi app so that you can watch the videos for the 12-week program on that app actually. And then also download the Kajabi Communities app to get access to this side of the platform, because then you can be anywhere around the world, in a veld somewhere. You can also basically join the group coaching sessions via your phone, as well as the 12-week program. So that's really important. Please download the app, because you will also get weekly notifications that I will be sending out and let you know what we will be talking about. So like what you see here, so this week's topic will be the 5 Ds to success. And this is just a reminder, so you can click there and see the announcement what it's about today. All right, so really important to download that app and actually switch on your notifications. That's really important because that's where I will be sharing a lot of information and notifications so that you know what's going on. All right, so that is it. Go back to library and you can play around with the platform, and then if you just want to log out, you click on that little icon over there and you log out, and that is it. That is the desktop version that we've basically discussed now. Right, so that's how the platform works, and yeah, looking forward to working with you soon on a one-to-one basis, as well as seeing you on a weekly group coaching session on the Refocus Tribe. Goodbye.